Hello guys, welcome to Zero Arabic. Start learning Arabic alphabets, a self-study course. I am your narrator for this course, Muhammad Mursalin Saad. Before we proceed, please subscribe and like. Alright guys, our next lesson is letter Sa. Sa. Take notice it has 3 points here. That's 3 teeth. 1, 2, 3, and then just curve in. Sa has no dots, but Sha, Sha, Sha. The same format as Sa, but it has 3 dots. Now observe how I write. 1, 2, curve in, 3, and next big circle here, semicircle. There is letter Sa. Let's repeat again. Second curve. Sa. Now observe how I write Sha, Sha. First curve. First curve, the next second curve, then a big curve here. Sha. Don't forget to write 3 dots. Let's repeat again. The first curve, the second curve, and the third big curve. Don't forget to put the 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. Put a stroke here. Here also must put a stroke. Alright? Sa. Sa. Sha. Sha. That's it guys. Please subscribe and like by pressing the bell to get the latest updates.